area of a circle with radius r. The radius r is A is equal to pi r square. Okay. Now we have to find the rate of change of area with respect to its radius, dA by dr. dA by dr is equal to pi into 2r. That is equal to 2 pi r. dA by dr is 2 pi r. So when r is equal to 3 centimeter, dA by dr is equal to 2 pi into 3, which is equal to 6 pi. Okay. Now when r is equal to B part, when r equal to 4 centimeter, dA by dr is equal to 2 pi into 4, which is equal to 8 pi. Okay. 8 pi, its unit is centimeter square per centimeter. Here also 6 pi centimeter square per centimeter. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How vast is the surface area of increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter? Let x be the length of the edge. X എന്ന് നമുക്ക് ചൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ വോളിയം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ക്യൂബിൻ്റെ വോളിയം എക്സ് ക്യൂബാണ്. സർഫസ് ഏരിയ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 6x സ്ക്വയറുമാണ്. ഓക്കെ. Now given the rate of change of the volume, so dV by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt with respect to t യിൽ ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് എടുത്താൽ വോളിയത്തിൻ്റെ റേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ചേഞ്ച് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 8 ആണ്. സോ 8 is equal to 3x square into dx by dt എന്ന് വരും. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് dx by dt യുടെ വാല്യൂ, therefore dx by dt is equal to 8 divided by 3x square എന്ന് കിട്ടും. Okay. Now s is equal to 6x square. We have to find the how fast is the surface area is increasing. So ds by dt is equal to 6 into 2x into dx by dt, that is equal to 12x into dx by dt is 8 divided by 3x square, so which is equal to 3 and 12 are cancel for 32 divided by x, 1x is cancel, 32 divided by x centimeter square per second, area of unit of this area, surface area is centimeter square, time second. Now when x is equal to 12, when x equal to 12 centimeter, ds by dt is equal to 32 divided by 12, which is equal to 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter. Now let r be the radius. Let small letter r be the radius of the circle, and a be the area of the circle. Okay. Now a is equal to, area is pi r square. Now a radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. dr by dt is given. dr by dt is equal to 3 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing. dA by dt is equal to pi into r square, derivative is 2r into dr by dt. Okay. that is 2 pi r into dr by dt is 3, that is 6 pi r dA by dt. Now when radius is 10 centimeter, when r equal to 10 centimeter, dA by dt is equal to 6 pi into 10, okay, that is equal to 60 pi unit is centimeter square per second. Okay. An edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume of the cube is increasing? When the edge is 10 centimeter long, okay, an edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of, let x be the, let x be the length of the edge, length of the edge of the cube, okay. ക്യൂബിൻ്റെ ലെങ്ത് സൈഡ് ലെങ്ത് എക്സ് ആകുമ്പോൾ വേരിയബിൾ എഡ്ജ് ഓഫ് എ വേരിയബിൾ ക്യൂബ് ഈസ് ഇൻക്രീസിങ് അറ്റ് ദ റേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ഡി എക്സ് ബൈ ഡി ടി ഈസ് ഗിവൺ, ഡി എക്സ് ബൈ ഡി ടി ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume of the cube? Volume is equal to x cube. We have to find dv by dt. dv by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. With respect to TIL derivative, okay, that is equal to 3x square into dx by dt is 3, which is equal to 9x square, okay. Now when x is equal to 10 centimeter, when x is equal to 10 centimeter, dv by dt is equal to 9 into 10 square, that is equal to 900 volume centimeter cube per second, okay, 900 centimeter cube per second. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circles at the speed of 5 centimeter per second, okay. ഇവിടെ നമുക്കൊരു ഈ വേവ്സ് ഫോം ചെയ്യുന്നത് സർക്കുലർ ഷേപ്പിലാണ്. അറ്റ് എനി ടൈം ടി ആ ഒരു സർക്കുലർ ഷേപ്പിൻ്റെ റേഡിയസ് ആർ എന്ന് നമുക്ക് ചൂസ് ചെയ്താൽ ഈ വേവ്സ് മൂവ്സ് ഇൻ സർക്കിൾസ് അറ്റ് ദ സ്പീഡ് ഓഫ്, വേവ്സ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ആക്ച്വലി ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഈ റേഡിയസ് ആണ് ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് വിത്ത് റെസ്പെക്ട് ടു ടൈം. സോ ലെറ്റ് ആർ ബി ദി റേഡിയസ്, ലെറ്റ് ആർ ബി ദി റേഡിയസ് ഓഫ് a circular wave at any time t, okay. ഒരു പർട്ടിക്കുലർ ടൈമിൽ അതിൻ്റെ റേഡിയസ് ആർ എന്ന് ചൂസ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഡി ആർ ബൈ ഡി ടി ആണ്, ഡി ആർ ബൈ ഡി ടി ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 5 centimeter per second, therefore dr by dt. Now how fast is the enclosed area is increasing? Area is equal to circular area pi r square. Now dA by dt is equal to pi into 2r into dr by dt, okay, that is equal to 2 pi r into dr by dt, which is equal to 2 pi r into dr by dt is 5, that is 10 pi r, 10 pi r. Now when r is equal to 8 centimeter, when r equal to 8 centimeter, dA by dt is equal to 10 pi into 8, that is equal to 80 pi centimeter square per second, okay. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of, let r be the radius of the circle, okay. So dr by dt is equal to 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? Circumference means the perimeter of the circle. Perimeter, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So dp by dr is equal to 2 pi into dp by dt. dp by dt is equal to 2 pi into dr by dt is equal to 2 pi into dr by dt is 0.7. Okay, that is equal to 1.4. Perimeter unit is centimeter per second. 1.4 centimeter per 1.4 pi 1.4 pi centimeter per second. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing. Let the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. So to represent the decreasing, dx by dt is equal to minus 5 centimeter per minute. And width y, dy by dt is equal to, dy by dt is 4 centimeter per minute. Okay. Now when x is equal to 8 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of the perimeter. So perimeter P is equal to 2 into x plus y. Okay. dp by dt, rate of change of perimeter is 2 into dx by dt plus dy by dt. Okay. That is equal to 2 into dx by dt is minus 5 plus 4. So is equal to minus 2 centimeter per minute. That is the rate of change of perimeter. Now B part, rate of change of the area. A is equal to x into y, dA by dt is equal to, here we apply the product rule, x into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt, which is equal to, okay, now when x is equal to 8 centimeter, when x is equal to 8 centimeter, y is equal to 6 centimeter, dA by dt is equal to 8 into dy by dt is 4 plus y, 6 into dx by dt is minus 5. Okay, which is equal to 32 minus 30. 32 minus 30 is equal to 2 area centimeter square per time minute. 2 centimeter square per minute. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius. Let r be the radius. Okay. Radius of the balloon. Okay. Find the rate at which volume is increasing. So V is equal to, volume of the balloon is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. dV by dt, dV by a balloon which is always remains spherical has a variable radius. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing with the radius. So we have to take the derivative with respect to its radius. dV by dr is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3r square. Okay, 3 get cancelled, which is equal to 4 pi r square. Okay. Now when radius is equal to 10 centimeter, then r is equal to, when r equal to 10 centimeter, dV by dr is equal to 4 pi into 10 square, which is equal to 400 pi centimeter square per centimeter. Okay. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. Say a ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. Say let AB be the ladder. Okay. This ladder ആണ്, ഇത് length 5 meter ആണ്. Okay. The bottom of the ladder is the point A, which is pulled along the ground. പുൾഡ് അലോങ് ദി ഗ്രൗണ്ട്, ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വലിക്കുവാണ്, ബോട്ടം ഓഫ് ദി ലാഡർ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് മൂവ് ചെയ്താൽ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ബി ഇവിടുന്ന് താഴത്തേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്യും. നമ്മൾ ഈ ലെങ്തിനെ എക്സ് എന്നും ഈ ലെങ്തിനെ നമുക്ക് വൈ എന്നും ഡിനോട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, the bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the ball at the rate of 2 cm per second. So dx by dt is equal to 2 cm per second. How fast is its height on the wall decreasing? So height നെ y എന്ന് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത് dy by dt ആണ് നമുക്ക് കാണേണ്ടത്. Okay, when the foot of the ladder is 4 cm away from the wall, dy by dt when x is dy by dt is question mark when x is equal to 4 centimeter, 4 meter, not centimeter, 4 meter. Foot of the ladder a ആണ്, അത് ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് 4 meter ആവുമ്പോൾ, that is x ന്റെ വാല്യൂ 4 ആവുമ്പോൾ dy by dt കാണണം. Okay, now by Pythagoras theorem, x square plus y square is equal to 25. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. x ൽ ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് എടുത്താൽ 2x plus with respect to t, not x, with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t. So 2x into dx by dt plus 2y into dy by dt is equal to 0, or 2y dy by dt is equal to minus 2x into dx by dt now. Okay, 2 cancel out. അപ്പോൾ dy by dt യുടെ വാല്യൂ മൈനസ് എക്സ് ബൈ വൈ ഇൻറ്റു ഡി എക്സ് ബൈ ഡി ടി എന്ന് കിട്ടും. ഇനി when x is equal to 4 centimeter, dy by dt is equal to minus 4 by x ന് 4 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന വാല്യൂ കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ y കൂടി കിട്ടണം. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിലേക്ക് കൊടുക്കാം, ഈ ഇക്വേഷൻ നമ്പർ 1ലേക്ക് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ നമുക്ക്. x ന് 4 കൊടുത്താൽ 4 സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് വൈ സ്ക്വയർ ഈക്വൽ ടു 25 എന്നാവും. അപ്പോൾ വൈയുടെ വാല്യൂ 3 എന്ന് കിട്ടും. 25 മൈനസ് 16 അത് വൈ സ്ക്വയർ ആണ്, വൈയുടെ വാല്യൂ 3 എന്ന്, ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആണ്, ഇപ്പോൾ 3 ആക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് വൈയുടെ വാല്യൂ 3 എന്നാവും. പിന്നെ ഡി എക്സ് ബൈ ഡി ടിക്ക് 2 എന്ന് കൊടുക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ദറ്റ് ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു മൈനസ് 8/3 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ പെർ സെക്കൻഡ് എന്ന് കിട്ടും. ഓക്കെ, therefore the height on the wall is decreasing at the rate of, therefore height on the wall is decreasing at the rate of 8/3 centimeter per second. A particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. So given curve y is equal to, or 6y is equal to x cube plus 2, that is the given curve. Find the points on the curve which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Okay, y coordinate is changing, that is dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt, that is the given condition. Okay, now differentiate this equation number 1 with respect to t. Differentiate equation number 1 with respect to t. t യിൽ ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് എടുത്താൽ 6 into dy by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt എന്ന് കിട്ടും. ഓക്കെ, that is 6 into dy by dt ക്ക് പകരം 8 into dx by dt എന്ന് എഴുതാം, is equal to 3x square into dx by dt എന്ന് കിട്ടും. dx by dt ക്യാൻസൽ ആയാൽ 3x square 3x square equal to 48 എന്നും x സ്ക്വയറിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ 16 എന്നും എക്സിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ പ്ലസ് ഓർ മൈനസ് 4 എന്ന് കിട്ടും. ഓക്കെ, നൗ 6y ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു എക്സ് ക്യൂബ് പ്ലസ് 2 ആണ്. നമുക്ക് y കോർഡിനേറ്റ് കാണണം. വെൻ x ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 4, എക്സിന് 4 എന്ന് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്താൽ 6y ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 4 ക്യൂബ് പ്ലസ് 2, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 6y ഈക്വൽ ടു 64 പ്ലസ് 2 66 എന്ന് കിട്ടും. വൈയുടെ വാല്യൂ 11 എന്ന് കിട്ടും. Okay, therefore one of the point is 411. Okay, now when x is equal to minus 4, 6y equal to minus 4 cube plus 2, that is equal to minus 4 cube is minus 64 plus 2 minus 62, or y is equal to minus 62 by 6 minus 31 by 3. Therefore the points on the curve, first one is 411 and second point is minus 4 minus 31 by 3. Okay, the radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of half centimeter per second. Okay, let R be the radius of the bubble. Okay, bubble. At what rate its volume of the bubble increasing when the radius is 1 centimeter? The radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of, that is dr by dt. dr by dt is equal to half centimeter per second. Now volume of the air bubble is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now dv by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3 r square into dr by dt. Okay, see 3 get cancelled. Now this dr by dt is replaced by half. 4 pi r square into half, which is equal to 2 pi r square. Now when r is equal to 1 centimeter, when r equal to 1 centimeter, dv by dt is equal to 2 pi into 1 square, that is equal to 2 pi centimeter cube per second. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter 3 by 2. Diameter d is equal to, say, a balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter d is equal to 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1, that is the diameter. So radius is equal to diameter by 2, that is 3 by 4 into 2x plus 1. Okay, that is the radius. Now find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. Now v is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi into radius cube, 3 by 4 into 2x plus 1 the whole cube. Okay, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3 into 2x plus 1 the whole cube by 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, a 4 get cancelled and a 3 get cancelled. So 9 pi by 16 into 2x plus 1 the whole cube, that is volume. Now dv by dx is equal to 9 pi by 16 into 3 into 2x plus 1 the whole square into derivative of 2x plus 1, that is 2. Okay, that is equal to 16 and 2 get cancelled. Here it is 8. 9 pi by 8 into 3 into 2x plus 1 the whole square. Okay, that is equal to 27 pi by 8 into 2x plus 1 the whole square. Okay, sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. Centimeter cube per second. Okay, a sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. So the given data is the rate of change of the volume of the sand. Okay, so dv by dt is equal to 12 centimeter cube per second, rate of change of volume. The falling sand forms a cone on the ground in such a way that, so the falling sand forms a cone on the ground such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. Height of the cone h is equal to 1/6 of the radius of the base. So h is equal to 1/6r, or r is equal to 6h. Now, how fast is the height of the sand is increasing? We have to find dh by dt. Height increase ചെയ്യുന്നതിന്റെ rate ആണ് വേണ്ടത്. Okay. Now volume is equal to, say, cone 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, that is v is equal to 1/3 pi into r is equal to 6h. 6h square into pi r square h. Okay, that is 1/3 pi into 36h square into h, which is equal to 36 pi by 3 h cube. Okay, that is v. Now dv by dt, differentiate with respect to t. dv by dt is equal to 36 pi by 3 into 3h square into dh by dt. Okay, now dv by dt is 12. 12 is equal to 36 pi by 3 into 3h square into dh by dt. 3 get cancelled. Okay, so dh by dt is equal to 12 divided by 36 pi h square. Okay, now when h is equal to 4 centimeter, when h is equal to 4 centimeter, when h is equal to 4 centimeter, dh by dt is equal to 12 divided by 36 pi into 4 square. Okay, 12 and 36 are cancelled, 3, that is 1 by 4 square, 16 into 3, 48 pi, 1 by 48 pi centimeter per second. So that is the rate of change of height. Okay, the total cost Cx in rupees associated with the production of x unit of an item is given by C of x is equal to 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 4000. Okay, that is the cost function. Now the marginal cost is given by, the marginal cost is the rate of change of the cost function, marginal cost. Marginal cost is equal to d by dx of c of x, okay, equal to 0.007 into 3x square minus 0.003 into 2x plus 15, okay, that is equal to 0.021 x square minus 0.006 plus 15, okay. Now when n is equal to, when x is equal to 17, when x is equal to 17, marginal cost is equal to 0.021 into 17 square minus 0.006 into 17 plus 15, okay, which is equal to 0.021 into 289, or the 6.069 minus 0.102 plus 15 എന്ന് കിട്ടും, okay, which is equal to 20.967. The total revenue, the revenue function r of x is equal to, revenue function r of x is equal to 13x square plus 26x plus 15, okay. The total revenue in rupees received from a sale of x unit of a product is given by r of x is given. Find the marginal revenue when x is equal to 7. See, the marginal revenue is the rate of change of, marginal revenue is the rate of change of, or d by dx of revenue function r of x, okay, that is equal to 13 into 2x plus 26, okay, that is 26 into 26x plus 26, which is equal to 26 into x plus 1. Now the marginal revenue when x is equal to 7, when x is equal to 7, marginal revenue equal to 26 into 7 plus 1, that is 26 into 8, which is equal to 208 rupees, okay. The rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius, rate of area is equal to, area of the circle, area is equal to pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. Now rate of change of circle with respect to its radius, dA by dr, dA by dr is equal to pi into derivative of r square is 2r, that is 2 pi r dA by dr. Now when r is equal to 6, when r equal to 6, dA by dr is equal to, when r equal to 6, dA by dr equal to 2 pi into 6, that is equal to 12 pi centimeter square per second, okay. The total revenue in rupees received from the sale of x unit of a product is given by revenue function r of x is equal to 3x square plus 36x plus 5, okay. The marginal revenue, you have to find the marginal revenue. So marginal revenue is equal to d by dx of total revenue, that is equal to 3 into 2x plus 36, that is 6x plus 36, okay. So when x is equal to 15, when x is equal to 15, marginal revenue is equal to 6 into 15 plus 36, okay, 6 into 15 plus 36, that is 90 plus 36, which is equal to 126. 126.